My name is Stuart Cohen. I'm an attorney, and I've been asked to answer some questions here today. This question is, if I am disabled or have a child who is disabled, why should I consult an attorney? Well, there's a number of different attorneys that you would want to consult in this situation, and the reasons are all the same: to make sure that your rights are protected. So that applies to all the lawyers. So let's talk about what the kinds of lawyers are that you could consult with or should consult with, in my view. First of all, you need to consult with someone who understands government benefits, trusts, and estates, and aid that is available. And sometimes they're called disability lawyers, sometimes they're called elder care lawyers. I know that on this website, one of the participants is Tom Begley, and Tom Begley is one of the leaders in the United States in this area and is one of the real leaders in this field. And it's that kind of attorney that you need to consult with regarding those matters. If education and ongoing educational needs for a disabled child or a child who has some limitations is needed, you may want to consult with an educational lawyer, someone who has experience in how to create and how to work with a school district in creating an individual educational plan for that child. So it'd be important to consult with that kind of lawyer. It'd be important to consult with a family lawyer concerning issues of custody and guardianship should anything happen to the parent. You also need to consider consulting with a civil attorney, an experienced civil attorney, regarding potential civil litigation. Why? Because stuff happens in life. Because mistakes happen. People don't necessarily mean to do things, but they do, and they cause injury. Automobile injuries, medical negligence injuries, hospital mistakes, medication errors, damages caused by medications that were improperly used, or drugs that were used for a wrong purpose, products that are defective. All of these things cause injury. And it is the responsibility of the family to look into these matters and investigate them. Whether you bring a claim or not is an entirely different subject than whether you investigate or not. An investigation reveals the facts, and an experienced lawyer should be willing to investigate the matter for you and advise you whether they believe there is a valid claim. Then you make a decision about whether you want to pursue that claim or not based on the facts of that case. So all of those kinds of lawyers are the kinds of lawyers that a disabled person or the family of a disabled child or the family of a disabled adult should consider consulting with regard to a case. I also want to add, particularly with regard to a disabled child, that it is very important, in my view, that a parent at least consult with all of these kinds of lawyers as part of their duty to investigate what's right for the child in a timely fashion. In order to understand what the time limits are, you need to talk to a lawyer, but parents, because of seriously disabled children, and I unfortunately have a lot of experience in this over the years, have so much to deal with and have so many issues that they have to confront that is not high in the pecking order of the things that they need to take care of or that they think they need to take care of. But it needs to be, because the claim is for the child and for the child's care. And the question, of course, is going to be, it is from the beginning, but it's going to be as time passes, who is going to take care of your child when and if you're not there to do it? And your child has the right to at least have this matter investigated. And you have the obligation as a parent and a natural guardian of such a child to do that. So those are the kinds of lawyers who I believe need to be consulted. I hope that answers the question. Thank you.